Okay, do you have a terrible computer that you wish was better? Good. Number 2, do you hate FPS shooters? Awesome. And number 3, do you have really good internet? Well, if you have all 3 of these, you might be in amazing luck because Linus Tech Tips just came out with a video about 10 days ago saying terrible news, cloud gaming is good now. Okay, so what he says in this video is GeForce Now, which we're going to get to in like a few seconds here. It's a cloud gaming service and it's like one of the best ones. If you don't know what cloud gaming is, it's essentially you have all your inputs like keyboard, mouse kind of thing, and then your controller. That input gets sent to their server, which does all its magic, and then that magic gets sent back to you, and then you see magic, and then that is like back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Where the FPS part comes in is that this there and back is latency. And the latency, I think, would be too much for someone who's like playing like Valorant or something. So probably not the best thing to do. You can try it if you want. I'm going to go through like the stuff that Linus didn't really talk about and kind of missed and everyone had questions about. So maybe I'll answer some of those questions as they come up. But yeah, Linus says that the FPS the latency between his computer and the GeForce Now cloud gaming is like tens of milliseconds, which you might think is not a big deal until you're playing a game where you want to move fast and it becomes a problem. Okay, jumping right into the tiered system. Just kidding, we're going to the FAQ. This one's big. Do you need to own your own games? Yes, you need to own or purchase a game from one of the supported game stores before playing it on GeForce Now. The service also supports hundreds of most popular free-to-play games. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that is Steam, Game Pass, Epic Games. If you're getting it somewhere else, you're most likely not going to be able to play it. Okay, memberships. That's what we're looking at over here in the 3 tiers. You can do day passes, 1 month, and then 12 months. And look at this, a special launch offer for a limited time. Get Arc Raiders. So if you're watching this like 2 years later, you probably won't get this offer anymore. Okay, back to the questions. How much monthly playtime, this is a big one, do I get per month? Performance and Ultimate, which is these two, Performance tier and Ultimate tier, get 100 hours of monthly playtime. Up to 15 hours of unused playtime can be rolled over to the next month. I don't know what that even means. Let's go back to the 100 hours. Okay, so if you have 100 hours of playtime, we will do 100 divided by, that's not divide, by 30. You have to play just over 3 hours every single day. That is not very much for some people and a lot for other people. So if you feel like you're going to play over 100 hours, this is not for you. And if you do run out of playtime, you can purchase additional playtime, but you're already spending like $26 depending on like where you live and stuff. Oh my God, it's $279. Holy crap, that's a lot. No wonder you get Arc Raiders for free. Yeah, you can purchase additional hours of monthly playtime in 15-hour increments. I bet it's like $15. Those are the big ones. Those are the big ones that I wanted to talk about. And a lot of people were saying to Linus, like, you only get 100 hours. And some people are just like, there's no way I'm going to be doing more than 100 hours. And other people are just like, I game about 8 hours every single day. I'm going to go through that in like 15 days. Back to this. So you have day passes. I don't think I'm going to do a day pass, or maybe $10 instead of a 1 month is $26. Yeah. I think the best deal for just like casual people would be the 1 month plans. Performance, you get up to 60 frames per second, but the Ultimate, you get up to 240 frames per second. And I'm kind of thinking that is going to be the best one to do because it's just going that much more over. And so you're going to get that much more performance. So like the latency isn't going to be as much. That's my guess. If I'm totally wrong, let me know. Okay, so I went with Ultimate and it ended up being with tax 27.29, I believe. Okay, so this is the screen right after you start the subscription. Get in, game on, GeForce RTX performance, connect to top PC game stores, stream thousands of supported titles, and play hundreds of free-to-play. Get in. Okay, it said for best performance to download the app. So I'm just downloading the app now. Okay, so here's the dashboard of the app. And now it's saying my library and I need to connect 0 of 5 accounts. Okay, so we can connect Ubisoft, Battle.net, Epic Games, Steam, and Xbox. And that's it. So I do have an Xbox, a Steam, and Epic that I'm gonna connect. Okay, amazing. So that took me about like 5 minutes to connect my Xbox, Epic Games, and Steam. It was like super, super easy. As long as you have all like your information saved, super quick. Okay, now let's go through our library here and let's just pick a game. Oh, we got lots. We got lots. Crash Bandicoot. Can we just play from here? Okay, loading. If it goes right to the end of this and it starts, that is going to be so nice. Already liking it. No, it was very easy to like sync everything in, which was very, very nice. I know there's some programs out there where you just such a headache. Okay, so a game like this is a game that I would personally play just for fun, just come in and just start just going at it kind of thing. And do I have this game? I don't have this game on my computer. So it's just doing it by cloud? Oh, I think it is. Yeah, I don't have this game on my computer. Wait a minute, I don't know if that's actually real. Is this real life?
Activision presents a smashing blast.
I'll let you know afterwards.
Developed by Vicarious.
Oh, yes. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, it's the aspect ratio is a little bit off. Okay, I accept. Can I just make it a better?
Cortex strikes back.
Oh, I don't like this. Okay, I guess we're just stuck with it like this. That's okay. That's okay. We're just gonna see how it plays and then I'll be able to figure it out somehow. Crash 1, okay, for you guys who've missed playing Crash Bandicoot a long time ago, here we go. If you've never played the game, it's quite good. See the box bottom right?
But Dr. Cortex, we haven't determined the cause of past failures.
Okay, we're gonna watch this.
This Bandicoot will be my general. He will lead my Cortex commandos to world domination. This time, I shall reign triumphant. We are closer than ever before. Quickly, into the vortex.
Dr. Cortex, the vortex is not ready. We have no idea what it could do.
It looks so good. So good.
Failure again. Capture him.
Uh-oh.
Prepare the
Crash Bandicoot's girlfriend, Lola. No, I forget. So creepy. Insanity Beach. Okay, here we're actually getting to like the game part of it. I'm so sorry. I just wanted to see that. Wow. All right. See, I don't like that. I don't like it. Bottom of the game, right there. No way. No. Okay. If someone told me, Linus said the same thing. If someone just gave me the game and they're just like, yeah, here, try and figure out if it's cloud gaming or not. I don't think I would be able to figure it out. Let's just play a little bit more just to see. If I fail, it's probably me and not the cloud gaming. This is sick. Okay, I kind of felt it there, just a little bit. Up we go. This is one of those games where you need to be like on your game. Oh, here's a good test too. When you get up to like 3 masks, you get the super Ooga da Booga da mask. go left. Yeah, I am not noticing any latency. Oh God, that was my bad. Okay, let's try another game. Let's see how fast it is to get out. Do we just exit? Oh, okay. We just had to hold back. Sick. Okay, I like that. Let's try the browser one. Okay, we're gonna try Doom Dark Ages. I don't have this game downloaded on my computer, but it is connected to my Game Pass, my Xbox Game Pass. So if it does play, you don't have to download the game to your computer, which is amazing. So good. And right now, the app alone is only taking up 571 megabytes. So I don't know how much of RAM that would be for you. I think I have 32 gigs of RAM. I forget. Oh, no way. So you don't have to download the game. You gotta be kidding me. That is pretty cool. Doom, the Dark Ages. So yeah, we don't have the full screen issue. We just have an issue of, whoa, that looks great. Okay, let's just see. Let's just see.
The Slayer has been activated.
Oh yeah. Oh, I feel it. I feel the latency. We watched all of that just for the latency to be there. Yeah. It feels nice though. Like not that bad. Are we supposed to shoot our way through it? Oh, hold the block. Okay. And then we run through it. Nice. That's wicked. You suck. Okay. No, they don't. Blocked. Freaking blocked. Oh my god. Look how amazing this is though. Okay, sprint. It does kind of feel a little bit buttery. Shield, you can lock into target and then to shield charge them. That's cool. Okay. Yeah. Oh, they're dead. They're all dead. Yeah, that's kind of hard to move around and aim. It feels like it's just a little bit off. Yeah, that's pretty good though. Really good. You could get used to it, but I wouldn't with an FPS. Okay, let's try one more thing. This is amazing for 27 bucks. Honestly, this is what I would do. I would do 27 bucks with Game Pass. You're spending like 50 bucks Canadian just to play video games, but you're able to play video games at like super high fidelity. Or just like really good. I don't know what fidelity means. I don't know why I said it. Okay, we're gonna jump out. And then just to get out, you just press that and you quit the game. Just like that. And your computer's not exploding trying to run Doom. Okay, we're gonna try one more. This one is just gonna be like a, let's say I'm an old person. I'm coming back from a long day at work and I just wanna play, ooh, a racing game. We should play Forza. Yeah, we're playing Forza. It was just like an hour-long video of me just playing games. But this is the part that I feel like Linus was missing, and I think other people are missing. You just want to see the entire process of it. What if we just get rid of the app right now? Will it just put us in the web browser? Web browser is pretty sick. Very sick, actually. And let's say you're streaming. Well, if you're streaming, you're going to be using up a lot of your internet. Ethernet. What am I hitting right now? Yeah, I'll tell you my internet. Oh my god. So my download speed is 272 megabits per second. My ping is apparently 0 milliseconds. And my upload speed is trying to get to it. Just 1 second. I'm getting around 330 megabits for upload speed. So my internet's really fast. If you don't have that, I don't know what your experience is going to be like. But this is so much fun. I really like this. And I like that you don't have to actually have the game to be able to play it. Like, you just have to be able to have the game within like your your subscriptions or whatever. Okay, so what are they running this off of? It is, okay, this is on the web browser. This is not on the app. I thought they were, because I had the app open before. So web browser. Web browser, that's all you need. You don't need their app. There we go, here we go. Whoa, okay, okay. I can feel a little bit of, like, in between, like a little bit of a delay. But look how nice that looks. I wouldn't be able to get this with my computer. That's feeling good. That's feeling really good. We're doing 195 miles per hour. Oh God. We're just testing the system out. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's amazing. So if I was using this game, it would be using a ton of my PC. My CPU is only at 10%. You gotta be kidding me. That is amazing. It went down to 1%. I'm in shock. I'm in actual shock. That's an over-exaggeration. This is the greatest thing that's ever happened to me. We're going so fast. 220. Whoa, just ripping through the trees. Frick yeah. Frick yes. Yeah, we'd be dead. We'd definitely be dead. Wait, can I go through like the settings and stuff and just see like what's going on? Graphics. High. Ultra. No wonder it looks so good. Oh my god. Okay. So I stream gaming, or I game, well, stream game. Yeah, you know what I mean. This makes it so that I can actually play really, really amazing games and still be able to do all my streaming stuff. That's so cool. You definitely can't play FPS like against anyone. It's just, there's no way. But simple games like this, easy, so easy. If you don't need like precision, so easy. If you get like, I don't know if you can do smaller games, but guys, if you gotta check this out. If you don't really play too many FPS games, you gotta check this out. It is so sick. Just get Xbox Game Pass. I know they're SOBs, but you just get it and then get this. And just throw down 50 bucks per month and you got just premium gaming. And you don't have to download anything, so your storage is completely fine. You don't have to worry about your CPU, anything. My graphics card isn't even doing anything. My memory is quite high right now though, so you might need to buy a few sticks of RAM. And they might screw us later by upping the price of this, and then you just spend all your money with all of this stuff instead of saving it and then buying like other stuff. You know what I mean? But right now, for this moment right now, I am saying this is a definite buy for sure. Okay, cool. I hope you enjoy this. Like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.